Hello, hi beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. So, this is a continuation of yesterday's video. You know, yesterday we had a look at the old PortBell Road and then Spring Road up to right here, yeah? So this is PortBell Road, just PortBell Road. No old, no new, no nothing, just PortBell Road because it takes us to PortBell. It takes us to PortBell Luzira. Eh? So anyway, it has been under construction recently, just like you can see. It was very horrible. It was nasty. It was very rotten, as a matter of fact. But it is somewhere now. It is somewhere now, as you can see. We do have tarmac. We wouldn't say the same for Salama Road, but okay. Okay, not the whole of Salama Road, but you know what I mean. So anyway, the road on the right takes you to all up to Shirika, yeah? If you keep on going, takes you all up to Shirika. And then still the road on the right, if you go and you branch off somewhere, you can branch off somewhere and then it takes you to Chitintale and all that, yeah? But we're going to pass by Chitintale Market, yeah? So we are moving from here. That was the beginning of PortBell Road up to PortBell. I literally followed the road until the road was no more. So let's check out what is going on. Let us see what they have around, the road situation, the businesses they have around, and all that and all that. Quite a lot of alcohol goes on this side. Quite a lot of alcohol goes on this side. They do have no breweries this side. The head office is this side. According to the maps, people do not come for me. According to Google Maps, they do have no breweries this side. They do have Uganda breweries. Uganda breweries is on for Bell, yeah. Then Nile breweries is on for Nile. Then they have Uganda Waraji this side as well. You know, like you know, I'm going to show you. You're going to see. So anyway, this is us. This is PortBell Road. It is under construction, still under construction, as you can see. There is quite a few things to go, as you can see. The middle bit definitely going to be flowers, same as old PortBell Road. We do have a video about old PortBell Road in case you've not watched it. It's the previous video before this one, yeah. So it looks similar as you can see. Middle bit definitely going to be flowers. Then the sides, they haven't worked on the pavements yet, but I think they're going to work on it soon. There were people digging there at some point, yeah? Okay, let's keep going. You're going to see. I passed by people who were digging. I'm not quite sure what they were, I don't know what they were digging or what, but you're going to see. Maybe they are trying to make way for the pavements and all that, yeah? So guys, I think I have about 2-3 people who have been asking for this road or this video. So here is the video, guys. Here is the video. In case you do enjoy the video, please like the video. Do not forget to like the video. Liking the video is very important. So please like the video, guys, and we keep it moving forward. So on the left, that is Chitintale Market. As you can see, safe to say this area that we are in right now is Chitintale, yeah? Chitintale, then we are heading for Luzira because Luzira is the last area, yeah? We have a mall over there on the right. Then we have some place here, guys. Let me tell you something. We have a place here, though I cannot say where exactly, but somewhere here on the left, eh? You know me and dancing on tracks and all that, yeah? There was this time I was... Okay, when I said dancing on tracks... Oh, you know what I mean. I mean it metaphorically. I don't mean it like literal dancing. So anyway, there was this time I was working with a company that sells condoms, yeah? So, you know, we were moving through and all that. Guys, there was a place here, eh? There was a literal slaughterhouse. First, leave alone these things of the hotels. Smell the small hotels. Smell what? Guys, I had never seen anything like that before, eh? A literal slaughterhouse. Like, with floors. It is here somewhere here. For the people who stay here, you could know it. If this is your area, I know you know what I'm talking about. The ground floor like had like dormitories, dormitories, so the girls stay there, I think, yeah. The ground floor had dormitories, then there was another floor, then there was another floor. You people. But anyway, we went during day, and there is never action during day. The action is there at night. So there were dormitories, and then there were rooms. The rooms were being cleaned out, like, you know, the beds were being. Wow, Kambe Mulugambo. Let's continue. This is PortBell Road, people. PortBell Road. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you are returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I really, really do appreciate you. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about the road. What is happening. You see the men? You see the men digging, yeah? You see? So hopefully they're working on, you know, something to do with the sidewalks and all that, yeah? So guys, drop me a comment. Let me know the areas you would like to see. And when I pass by, I will definitely get the areas for you, yeah? Do not forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Tutambuze chintu bwekityo mpola mpola. So, PortBell Road, not many cars. This road doesn't usually have traffic. Maybe, I was going to say maybe at night, but no, I haven't passed this side at night. For all the times I've passed this side, it's been during day, yeah? So I wouldn't say that it has a lot of traffic, as you can see, because this is a weekday. This is a weekday, but as you can see, the road is free, probably because not a lot goes on the other side. We do have the prison this side as well. I'm going to show you the road that goes to the prison. It is somewhere on the right, yeah? I'll show you when we get there. And then all the other places as well. So we have Toto there. We have Toto over there, Toto Chitintale. So we are still in Chitintale, not in Luzira yet, but approaching Luzira. We do have some malls over there, buildings and malls. We do have markets. These people have a lot of markets. We've just passed by a market there, right before Toto. There will be another market somewhere here at the front. Let's have a look. I think that's a bar. Is it a bar? It's a hotel. I don't know, guys. This is not my area, yeah? This is not my area. You know me, in my areas, I'm always telling you one thing after another, but this is not my area. People requested for this video, and they requested for the video, and then I was somewhere in the area. I decided to, you know, check it out, but this isn't my area, so I'm not going to be out here telling you things that I don't know. I'm just showing you what is going on, yeah? PortBell Road, we do have taxis there. I don't know who the taxis are taking exactly, because I don't see many people. Do you see a lot of people? I don't see many people. So, but anyway, they take people from here going back to town. They bring people from town this side, and then they take people back, because if you're not seeing many people walking on the streets, then people are definitely in the houses. So it's definitely more of a residential than a busy place. You know what I mean, yeah? But anyway, this is the area. This is how it looks like. PortBell Road, not new, not old, just PortBell Road. Takes you up to the port. You know, the port where the ferries dock and all that, yeah? PortBell Road takes you up to the port. You're going to see a ferry, because I went somewhere there until the end of the road. You'll see, yeah? So on the left, if you take the left, there is a Ministry of Water and Environment. If you take the left there, then on the right, where the border is going, that is the road that takes you to the prison, yeah? I've been to the prison once. There was a time I went to the prison. I had a client who was going to visit somebody in there. I had literally never been there. But guys, the view is nice. They see the whole of Lake Victoria. Okay, obviously a prison is a prison at the end of the day, but it is big. It is huge. I drove in there, and it is like a village, a full-blown village. Anyway, it was my first time being in there, and I was amazed. So that's where you go. Then somewhere here, you branch off to meet the Nile Brewery's offices. I don't know where exactly, because there are no signposts. Usually I'm reading signposts. Usually the things I'm telling you, I'm reading signposts. Now, like here, you see here on the left, this is where Uganda Waraji is. Uganda Waraji, and Spirits Distillery, yeah, somewhere there. You've seen the signpost on the left, yeah. Then we are soon going to meet the signpost of Uganda Breweries. Uganda Breweries is the one for Bell and all that, yeah. But anyway, here where I am, if you look on the left, you can see the lake. Yeah, where I am right now, if you look on the left, you can see the lake. But, well, you know the videos when I'm driving, I cannot keep on shifting the camera and all that, yeah. But this is it. This is PortBell Road. We are soon coming to the end of the road. On the left, we do have Uganda Breweries, the Bell and Guinness and all that. If you look there, you can see the pictures of the bottles and all that, yeah. Oh, sorry guys, if you look on the right, not on the left, if you look on the right, you can see water, you can see Lake Victoria, because there is Lake Victoria in Luzira. So if you've never been to Luzira, if you've been hearing Luzira, if you did not know what goes on in Luzira, this is Luzira. Luzira has a port. I do not know if it's still functioning. I think it is still functioning, I don't know, but it has a port. It has a port where ferries dock, ferries and ships. Let me not even talk about ships, because that would make me think about the situation of our water transport, and we all know that our water transport is almost non-existent. But, well, what can we do? So anyway, this is me heading somewhere there where the road ends. I was following the road. I just wanted to follow the road and see where the road construction ends and see where the road ends and what is going on here. So safe to say somewhere here is where the Mwalo is. Because Mwalo is landing site, right? Because when they say Gaba Kumwalo, they mean the landing site of Gaba, right? So safe to say that the Mwalo is somewhere here on the left. I saw a car going in there, but the roads looked small. Like, you know how if a car is coming and then you're also coming, both of you cannot fit. That kind of small. So I did not go there. You see where the border has gone, yeah? But I'm thinking that is where they sell their fish. Guys, if this is your home area, help us out. Where the border has come from, yeah? I think that is where they sell their fried fish and all that. There, if you take that route, but the roads were like so narrow. It was going to be squeezing affair and all that, So anyway, guys, if you look straight ahead there, we do have a ferry. We do have a ferry there. I do not know what goes on here, but it's like I had reached the end of the road, so I just entered and turned around, though you have to register in the book first. So the lady was bringing the book, and then I told her, nah, I'm just going to turn around, because clearly there is no more road here. And, you know, registering, and what am I even registering for? I do not even know what goes on here. But you see, white and blue, we do have a ferry there in front, white and blue. So I do not know if that is the port. I don't know if that is the port, what they call PortBell. But I hope so, because, you know, a ferry is usually at the port. You know, like how Nachuo going and Entebbe is, you find the ferry there that takes you to Kalangala and all that, yeah? So I do not know what goes on here. In case you do know, guys, please let us know in the comments. If this is your area, let us know if that is the Mwalo there, that roads there. If you take the rides, if that is your Mwalo, if that is where your fish eating happens, you know, fish and chips and Coca-Cola and all that. You know what I mean? Like how you go to Gaba and, yeah, you know what I mean, yeah? So anyway, this has been it. This has been PortBell Road, yeah? Now, if you've watched the previous video, when the video was soon ending, I told you that the other side that goes to Nakawa is new PortBell Road. It is under construction as well. Then this side that we took to Luzira is PortBell Road, yeah? So obviously I'm going to leave this side because I don't stay this side, and I'll definitely bring a video of the new PortBell Road, because that's where I passed when I was going back to town, yeah? So stay tuned. I'll be bringing a video of the new PortBell Road. It is the one that starts from where yesterday's video ended, going up to Nakawa, yeah? So once again, thank you guys for being here. I really do appreciate, and I'll definitely be seeing you in our next video. Yeah, so please like the video. In case you've enjoyed it, like the video, drop me a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know the areas you'd like to see, share the video, subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Tutambuze ekintu nga bwe tukikola bwe tutyo mubimanyi, you know how we do it here. So guys, that's it for today. I appreciate you, and happy new month. It is December. Enjoy responsibly and take care of yourselves. Yeah, I'll be seeing you in our next video. Bye bye.